This week for outline, I had Chapter 9, Section 4. While, while Chapter 9 has been abstract for the most part, the most important thing we have learned is how Pavlovian learning is always used throughout all types of conditioning. It is also important to remember the learning process gets adjusted in the second phase of instrumental action learning. In Figure 9.71, it shows the importance of excite or inhibit a motivational state, whether it's towards a good or a bad thing, as in appetitive or as bad in its fear. Dynamics effects of motivational stimuli. Operant process theory is a model that accounts for a wide range of behaviors, including color vision. This model was first proposed in 1878 by Edward Hering, a German psychologist, and later expanded by Richard Stallman, a 20th century. After image is a visual illusion which retail impressions present after we move from of a stimuli, believed to be caused by the continued activation of a visual system. After reaction is the reaction of a stimulus is removed, according to operant process theory. If is typical the opposite of the initial reaction of the stimulus. Standard pattern of affective dynamics is the pattern of emotions when an emotion-provoking event is present and removed. Figure 9.18 shows the standard pattern of affection dynamics when an emotion is activated. In Figure 9.19, that shows the standard effect of when an emotion is present or an event is happening. A process is the one of the emotional internal process of responses of the operant process theory. The theory also proposes that the process automatically causes the B process, which is subjectively a psychological opposite in direction to the A process. B process, or operant processing, is a theory was first developed by Edward Hering. He noted that there are color combinations that we never see, such as reddish-green or bluish-yellow. Operant processing theory suggests that color participation is controlled by activity in the three operant systems: emotion and social attachment. Imprinting is an impress or a stamp on a surface or a body, or a young animal come to recognize another animal, person, or thing as its parent or object or habitation of trust. Imprinting is shown in Figure 9.20 with ducklings and what happens before and after and during the stimulus is presented, and the effect on whether the duck was in a new or comfortable environment. They found that the ducks are more likely to make an imprint in a new environment because they are more dependent on those around them. A further look into addiction. In Figure 9.21, it shows the different interval settings affect the stimuli to create an imprint.